Today, we're exploring a critical but often ignored aspect of sales, pipeline diversity. It's controversial because many believe a full pipeline is enough, but without diversity, you're exposed to massive revenue risk. In this video, you'll learn how to scientifically measure and optimize your prospect mix to avoid pitfalls and unlock growth. Let's begin with context. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Why is this a problem in sales? Teams naturally gravitate towards familiar prospects, similar industries, company sizes, or decision-maker roles. This creates comfort, but also concentration risk. Generic tools like CRMs show volume and value, but they lack depth in diversity analysis. So you might see a healthy pipeline number, but if it's all from one sector, a single market shift can collapse it. Manual analysis with spreadsheets is slow, error-prone, and can't keep pace with dynamic sales environments. Now, the technical method. AnalyzeDiversity uses a multidimensional framework rooted in information theory and statistical analysis. We don't just count prospect types, we measure how evenly they're distributed across categories. Key concepts include demographic diversity, covering decision-maker roles and backgrounds, firmographic diversity, spanning industries, revenue bands and geographic locations, and behavioral diversity, tracking engagement patterns and buying signals. This approach avoids common misconceptions like equating variety with true balance by providing quantifiable metrics. Here's how the software solution works. AnalyzeDiversity integrates with your CRM, marketing automation, and other data sources. It ingests prospect data, establishes baselines from your target market or historical trends, and calculates a comprehensive diversity score. The dashboard visualizes concentrations and gaps, while an audit trail logs changes for compliance. Scenario modeling allows you to test pipeline adjustments, like shifting focus to new segments, and see projected impacts on diversity metrics. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Imagine a mid-sized tech company with a pipeline dominated 80% by financial services clients. AnalyzeDiversity flags this as high risk. Using scenario modeling, you simulate adding prospects from healthcare and education. The tool shows the diversity score improving by 40%, indicating better balance and reduced dependency. This doesn't promise wins, but it strategically spreads risk and identifies new opportunities. For compliance and reporting, AnalyzeDiversity generates clear, stakeholder-friendly reports. These include visual charts and metrics that align with regulatory standards for diversity and inclusion, making it easy to demonstrate due diligence and ethical sales practices to leadership or auditors. In summary, AnalyzeDiversity transforms pipeline diversity from an abstract idea into a measurable, manageable asset. It empowers you to build resilient, opportunity-rich sales strategies.